Here's how to easily add a realistic rock texture to your text in Canva. Start by adding a texture photo, like a rock image, to your canvas from the Elements tab. Then, go to the Text tab, scroll to Apps, and open the Type Cutout app. Type your text in the app. Select the rock texture photo on your canvas and click Use Selected Image to fill your letters with the texture. Customize the text font. Use the app's settings to adjust the scale and rotation of the texture inside the text. Scroll down, turn off the text outline, and click Add to Design. Back on the main canvas, delete the original background texture image. You can now resize your textured text. Finally, select the text, go to Edit, and apply a drop shadow effect to complete the look.